are some talents that you're confident about? Q is just trying to build a plane. Let's see if we're good at making some ourselves. Tyler, there's a design called the arrow. Do you know how to build that?
Yes, I do.
Let's try it. All right, thanks for teaching me. Let's throw them. 1, 2, 3. Amanda, how about the design called the stealth? Do you know how to make that one?
I think so.
Manly, Tyler, do you know how to make the stealth?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Why don't you guys show us, and Amanda and I will learn and watch you. All right, so do you guys have the confidence to build the stealth yourselves now?
Yeah.
Let's throw them. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. For more fun adventures and videos, download the QWunder app and subscribe to our channel. Bye!